Hold on. Raise your hand. In reading, during reading time, what have we been talking about? Brock, say it loudly.
Estimating.
Estimating, that's in math. We have been. Okay, what about during reading, Callie?
Talking about weather.
We're talking about weather. Okay, what else about weather, Addison?
Informing.
Informing, is there anything else? Emily?
I know like something. Emoji.
Jude.
Emoji.
Jude, I need your voice off, please. Jackson.
Offers purpose.
Author's purpose. Okay, good job. And hold on, Kelly. Class, show me that you know with your silent hands, okay? Voice off, and then I'll call on you. All right, so Jackson said author's purpose. And we've heard informing. Who can remember what the other author's purpose we've talked about is? Callie.
We've been, the author's purpose was if it was entertaining or if you tell a story.
Entertaining it when they tell a story. Jude, please sit up. Jude, we don't touch our partners. Please sit up. Come on, sit up, please. Jude, I need you to sit up. Jude, come on, sit up, please.
My shoes are dirty.
Okay, Emily.
Your socks.
Blessing. Lily.
What was the question?
The question, we were just talking about different things we've talked about with the author's purpose. So Callie said entertaining, with telling a story. The author's writing the story. Yeah. Okay, so we've been talking about author's purpose.
What I said? Oh, bro,
Okay, take a seat. We'll see. All right, Lucas, I need you to take a seat for me, please. All right, so we've been talking about author's purpose, and one of the author's purpose we've been talking about is entertaining. Huh? That is right. They can sometimes make us laugh. Jude, I need your voice off for me, please. All right, so entertaining, the author's trying to make you enjoy the story by keeping your attention. So we talked about that sometimes fiction. What's fiction? Who can tell me?
Fake.
Raise your hand. Fiction. Beckham.
Fiction is fake.
Fiction is fake. Okay, and fantasy, so like our fairy tales, things like that. And then comics says, did the author make you laugh? So that's something you can think about when you're reading an entertaining book. Did the author tell a story? And did the author amuse you? So did he amuse you? Did he keep your interest during the book? And then we talked about informing. The author's trying to give you information and teach you facts. So the example is nonfiction. What's nonfiction? Beckham?
Nonfiction is not fake.
Say it again.
Nonfiction is not fake.
Nonfiction is not fake. All right. History and science books are going to be a lot of informing text and news articles. If you look at the paper or any news articles on the internet, those are going to be a lot of informing text. Jude, I need you to keep your voice off or else you're going to have to go back and take a seat.
We're going to the office.
Great. When you're reading an informing text, things to think about are, did the author give you facts? And is the author trying to teach you something? Okay. Facts. All right. We are going to go over author's purpose real quick before we start. Okay. You guys want to do it in longer sections or shorter sections?
I want to do the whole together. What is the other? You told us.
Okay. All right. All right, class. We're going to do longer.
What is the other word?
Hold on. I'll tell you in just a second, Beckham. We're going to do this just next. Okay. So we're going to do longer sections, and then we'd like to try it all together. That's what I hear. All right. So author. Tell me, please.
Tell me, please.
Why'd you write this book for me?
Why do you write this book for me?
Author. Entertaining me
Entertaining me
with fiction, comics, and make-believe.
with fiction, comics, and make-believe.
Good job. Author. Informing me
Informing me
with nonfiction, facts, and a glossary.
with nonfiction and facts in the glossary.
Okay, now you guys want to do it together?
Yeah.
All right, let's try. All right.
Can we do a big block?
That we did the bigger parts right there. Do you want to do the whole thing or you just want to try it all together now?
All together.
Okay, all right, let's try. Author, author, tell me please, why'd you write this book for me? Author, author, entertaining me with fiction, comics, and make-believe. Author, author, informing me with non-fiction, facts, and a glossary. Great job.
I do that again. What's a glossary?
The glossary was at the end of the informing text where it gives you words and the definition of the words in the book that you might not know. So it just lists some words that are in the book and then gives you the definition for those words. All right, so this right here is, it says entertain and inform. Yeah, we're going to read the story after this. Entertain and inform. So I'm going to go through some features, different things, and I want you guys to tell me which side they go on. The guy's thinking. Do they go on an entertaining text or an informing text? Okay.
Did you print that guy?
Yes.
Miss Poe?
Yes.
Can on both of them? Can we do
Not first.
Can we do like a vote on all of them?
Well, you guys can just raise your hands and I'll call on someone different for each of them. And then we can talk about it, okay?
I want to do a vote.
All right.
All
right, raise your hand. Which one will the glossary go on? The entertaining or the informing side? Which one will the... Wait, raise your hand and raise your hand, Lily.
What?
Which side, which one has a glossary? An entertaining text or an informing text? Ruby.
Informing.
Informing. So informing texts are going to have a glossary. All right. Which one would the fairy tales be in? Is a fairy tale an entertaining text or an informing text? Emily.
Entertaining.
Entertaining text. Okay, what about tells a story? Is a entertaining book going to tell a story or is an informing book going to tell a story? John. Which one?
Green side.
The green side, informing. Okay, Addison. Entertaining. Really close, John. It's going to be entertaining. An entertaining an entertaining book tells you a story. All right. Who can remember which one is fiction? So fiction is, we said fiction was fake. Which one's going to be fiction, Beckham? Entertaining book or an informing book?
Entertaining.
Entertaining, yes. The entertaining is going to be fiction. It's going to be the fake one. Okay, what about news articles? Are news articles going to be entertaining text or informing text? Brock.
Informing text.
Informing. Yes, news articles are going to be informing text. All right. What about if it teaches you something? If it teaches you something, is it entertaining or informing? Aaliyah, do you know?
You can raise your hand twice.
It's going to teach you something. So does it entertain you or does it inform you?
You don't.
It's going to teach you something. The orange one, entertaining? What do we think, Emily? It's going to teach you something.
I know.
Say it again, sorry.
Informing.
Informing. It's going to inform you. Informing texts are going to teach you something. All right, what about, which one might make you laugh? Which one might make you laugh? Blessing, an informing text or an entertaining text? Which one?
Informing.
Informing is going to make you laugh. So if they're telling you entertaining, good job. All right, we'll do a few more. Which one are you going to read to enjoy? You're going to read to enjoy it. Sienna, is it going to be entertaining or informing? You're going to read it to enjoy it. The green? Informing, so you're going to enjoy it because it's telling you facts, or are you going to enjoy it because it's entertaining you? Entertaining. Okay, all right, we're going to do one more. Which one is going to have the table of contents? Entertaining text or informing text? Which one's gonna have the table of content?